I think as far as you are genuine and authentic, and if you tell your audience that you don't edit much, it is a raw footage, they do accept you. They do accept you and they embrace you. See, nobody is looking for perfection. There are actually videos generated, one by a professional photographer, another one just on iPhone. And the one video which was done on iPhone got the maximum likes, and the other one people couldn't relate because it was too good. So if you are publishing without too much of editing, it is perfectly okay. Just be authentic, be genuine, and that is how every business of mine got started. Yeah, so you don't need to worry too much about. And I remember actually just last week I did one podcast and I thought there was a glitch in one episode. So I told my VA at the 15-minute mark there is a glitch. So just make sure you edit that properly. And she kept on playing that episode all the time again and again. And she said, I cannot find the glitch. I say, okay, maybe it is automatically corrected. I don't know. So, hey, sometimes those know all these smart tools, they do work for you. So perfectly, just start, go for it. I remember when I started my membership, it was not perfect, and I told people it is not perfect. I had a waiting list. I kept waiting list for 1 month. Then again, I thought site is not good. I should extend the waiting list. I extended for one more month. Again, I felt it is not good. I thought I shouldn't extend more. People will get bored. What is this? She's not launching. So I just launched. I said, hey, it is not perfect, but we are starting anyway. That's why I'm giving you special rate. Nobody judged me. I think I was the only one who was judging myself. So I- just
That's
be nice
important.
to yourself.
And I think a lot of the listener today, a lot of people can resonate with that. Like I'm usually my own worst critic. It sounds like
Yeah.
Sue, you're sometimes your worst critic. And for our listener, they might be their own worst critic. And you talked about editing. You never wanted it or needed it to be completely perfect. Even when you launch your program, you said you don't need it to be completely perfect. You just want it to be honest. And it's a genuine authenticity that you're really talking about, having a genuine authenticity. And I love that. So now it sounds like a virtual assistant is doing all of your editing. Is that correct?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So this is somebody that they basically work for you. They don't work for a company like mine, for example.
No, but they are trained by agency because I hired my VA and they work full time for me, but they came pre-trained by someone.
Cool. Awesome. I like that. Now let's talk about the four things. The four things that you are getting value through from your podcast. And then we'll take a quick break and I'm going to share how to get more ratings and reviews. So get ready to take notes. So Sue, right now, I remember you mentioned that there are really four major things that you get out of having your show. Will you share those four things with the listener?
Four things I can just say, it is a really great platform to promote and market your own business. And you do the networking. For example, see, I have been podcasting for this is my third year, but the amount of teaching I got from you before the episode started, I never got that teaching. So this is a really great place for networking. If you're looking for some kind of mentorship or help, you will find over here. You will find really, really elite group of people over here. Then I can also promote my clients, and it is a great way you can promote them, their offers, but also you can get testimonials for your own offers. So this works both ways. It is a pure win-win situation. Plus I can bring other guests on my podcast because, hey, surprise, surprise, I'm not good at everything. I'm not expert at each and every topic. So I know the weaknesses which I have. I can bring someone else and they can bless my community. My community is like my family. And I remember you mentioned many times about the perfection. So I have one business coach, and he told me, don't worry about perfection, because on the day you become perfect, God will call you.
Mhm.
As you are living human being, you are never going to be perfect. But as far as you are better today than yesterday, it is a great journey.